Yes. The title of Unit 4 is Building Bridges. We have completed Chapter 1. What was the Chapter 1? Application of percentage. Now I am going to start today Chapter 2, Simple Interest. Note down. Chapter 2, Chapter 2, Simple Interest. Students, be careful when you are writing interest spelling. INTEREST, not INTREST. INTEREST, simple interest. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is simple interest, what is amount, what is principal, rate, time. After that, we will learn compound interest, difference between simple interest and compound interest. After that, steps to find compound interest. What is the meaning of simple interest? One simple concept I'm explaining to you, students. Suppose your parents want to take loan from the bank. If your parents want to take loan from the bank people is saying, okay, I am ready to give loan to you, but I want to charge some extra amount. That extra amount is nothing but additional amount is called interest. When we are going to bank, we want to take loan from the bank person is saying, a bank manager is saying, okay, I'm ready to give the loan to you, but I want to charge some extra amount, that is called additional amount, is called interest. Next, what is principal, what is amount? What is principal and what is amount? What is principal? Whatever money we are borrowing or depositing or withdrawing, that is called principal. The money borrowed as a loan is called principal. Suppose we are going to ATM machine, we are taking out money from the ATM, that is what? Principal. We are going to the bank, your parents are going to the bank, your parents are depositing money in the bank, that is called principal. Deposit or withdraw, that is called principal. Next, what is amount? Principal along with interest is called amount. Your parents are going to the bank person is saying, okay, I'm ready to give loan to you, but I want to charge some extra amount. Extra amount plus principal is called extra amount. Principal along with interest is called amount. Understood? How much the bank is giving loan to you plus that interest, plus that is called amount. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. After that, bank person is saying, okay, I am ready to give loan to you, but I want to charge 5% interest, yeah, 10% interest. Bank person is saying, we are ready to give loan to you, but I want to charge 5% and 10%. What is the meaning of 5%? What is the meaning of 5%? Every 100 rupees, bank people will charge 5 rupees. That is called 5%. What is the meaning of 10%? Every 100 rupees, bank people will charge 10 rupees. That is called rate of interest. Are you getting my point, student? If I'm talking about 7%, what is the meaning of 7%? Every 100 rupees, every 100 rupees, bank people will charge 7 rupees. Every 100 rupees, bank people will charge how much rupees? 7 rupees. This is called rate of interest. It is the interest on every 100 rupees for a fixed period of time. Bank people is saying, okay, I'm ready to give loan to your parents, but after 1 year, you have to pay complete amount. That is called time period. What is time period? It is the period of time for which money is borrowed. Suppose I am going to the bank, I am saying to the bank people, please, I want to loan. Bank person is saying, okay, I am ready to give loan to you, but within 2 years or 3 years, you have to pay all money. That is called time period. I hope every concept I have explained to you. Now, each and every concept I am going to give proper explanation. Note down here first amount. Left side keep heading amount. Abbreviation is A. Principal along with interest. Principal. Principal along with interest principal along with interest principal along with the interest is called amount. Next, principal. What is principal? Capital P, abbreviation is capital P. Principal spelling check it. Principal, not ple, pal. The money borrowed as a loan, the money borrowed the money borrowed as a loan the money borrowed as a loan is called the principal. Not only borrowed students, deposit and withdraw is also called as principal. Deposit and withdraw is also called as principal. The money borrowed as a loan is called the principal. Next key heading, interest. Interest spelling, check it very clearly, everyone. Interest, not intre. Interest. Interest. The extra money paid back, the extra money the extra money paid back with the principal with the principal is called the interest. Means if we are going to the bank person is giving loan to us, but he is asking some extra money. Means principal and extra money, that is called interest. Next key heading, rate. Rate. It is the interest on every 100 rupees. It is the interest. It is the interest on every 100 rupees for a fixed period of time. For a fixed period of time. What is rate? It is the interest on every 100 rupees for a fixed period of time. If anyone is asking what is the meaning of 5%, then you have to give answer. 5% means every 100 rupees they are charging 5 rupees. Next, time period. Okay, you can write. Okay, so already you kept a heading, student. Time period. No. Then note down one example. Note down one example. Rate of 12% per year. Rate of 12% per year. Rate of 12% per year. That is the the interest the interest the interest paid on the interest paid on rupees 100 for 1 year is 12 rupees. For 1 year is rupees 12. I hope it is very clear. 12% rate of interest means every 100 rupees you have to pay 12 rupees for 1 year. Are you getting my point, students? It is clear. Is there any doubt? Yes. Next, time period. Time period. Time period. Abbreviation is capital T. Time period. It is the period of time it is the period of time for which it is the period of time for which money, yeah, money we are also calling as sum, is borrowed. It is the period of time for which money is borrowed. Amount is equal to amount is equal to amount is equal to interest plus principal. Don't confuse student. If they are saying interest or simple interest, both are same. Don't confuse. Now down first formula. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. Interest plus principal. How this formula you will keep in mind. Very easy concept. First alphabet is A, second alphabet is I, and third alphabet is P. It means A will come first, I will come second, and P will come third. A is equal to I plus P. That is order. First alphabet will come A first. A is equal to I plus P. I or simple, yes, we can say SI. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. This is the main formula. In this formula, we can write two more formula. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Third formula, principal is equal to amount minus interest. This both formula is coming from the main formula. This is the main formula. In this main formula, we are getting two more formula. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. Third formula, simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. This formula we are learning from the childhood. Note down. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. We can use abbreviation here. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. SI means simple interest, not sub-inspector, that is simple interest. SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Some fellows are there, they will write small letter. Don't write small letter, write capital letters. SI is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. This is the main formula. In this formula, we are getting three more formula. If they have given simple interest, then how to calculate principal? Principal is equal to SI into 100 divided by rate into time, R into T. Next, rate is equal to SI into 100 divided by principal into time, P into T. Last formula, time is equal to SI into 100 whole divided by what will become here? Time we have taken. What is remaining? There are three parameters are there, P, R, and T. If I am talking about T I will not take. Remaining two things will take. P into R. You can observe. If I am talking about rate, then rate I will not take. Remaining two things I will take. If I am talking about P will remove. Remaining R and T will take. One thing you are observing, student, principal is equal to simple interest into 100. Rate is equal to simple interest into 100. Time is equal to simple interest into 100. If I'm talking about principal, denominator will be rate and time. If I'm talking about rate, principal and time will be denominator. If I'm talking about time, principal and rate will be denominator. I hope it is very clear. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Principal is equal to SI into 100 divided by R into T. Rate is equal to SI into 100 divided by principal into rate. And time is equal to SI into 100 divided by RP into R. Example 1. Example 1. Find simple interest. Find simple interest and amount. Find simple interest and amount if if principal is equal to 1200, comma, rate is equal to 3% PA. What is PA? Not personal assistant, that is per annum. PA means per annum. Rate is equal to 3% per annum. And time is equal to 4 years. Very simple question. In this question, firstly, he has given principal. Principal is equal to principal P is equal to 1200 rupees. Rate is equal to 3% per annum. Per annum means per year. Time T is equal to 4 years. Now we know formula. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time whole divided by 100. I want to substitute the value. Principal is 1200, rate is 3, time is 4, whole divided by 100. Double zero cancel. 12 into 12. Rupees 144. Don't forget to mention units. SI we got it. Rupees 144. Now we want to find out amount. Amount is equal to simple interest SI plus principal. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. Simple interest is rupees 144 plus principal is 1200 is equal to 13,000, oh sorry, 1344. 1344 rupees. Next, example 2.